In this video, we'll talk about how to create an account with CC, as well as how to set up a new Planbook. This video is designed for teachers who are interested in streamlining their planning routines, getting organized, and collaborating with their colleagues to simplify their instructional processes. Let's get started. To begin, go to commoncurriculum.com and click Sign In or Up. If this is your first time visiting CC, you'll type in your email address and create a new password. From here, we'll walk through setting up your Planbook. You'll enter your salutation, your first and last name, as well as your title. Now you can give your Planbook a name. To keep things clear, I'll use my last name, the subject I teach, and the current year. The school year is pre-selected for me, and the default Planbook is set to a weekly schedule. If you use a rotating schedule, you can click Block, Rotating, Cycle, or AB Schedule. Next, we'll click Create My Planbook. We'll begin by adding classes. I can click Add Class, type in the title of each class, and then, when I have all of them entered, I can click Next. Now we'll rearrange our schedule by clicking Go to Adjust Schedule. I can adjust my classes by dragging them into the correct order for each day. If there are days every week when I don't teach, I can click the Toggle Off button to turn off the class for that day. And for all those things I have to do that are not content specific, I can add in note cards to keep me organized and on track. Next, we'll add templates to each of our classes. A template includes all of the components of each lesson. This might be daily objectives, procedures, and student materials. CC has a large gallery of templates to choose from, so that you can find one that works best for your unique teaching style. And if you're interested in creating custom templates after you've set up your Planbook, check out our CC guide called Customizing Lesson Templates. For now, I'll select a basic template from the gallery. I can see that I have applied the basic template to all of my classes. But let's say that I want for my math class to have a different template. By clicking Change, I can choose from the gallery, or I can create my own, or I can use a blank template. In this case, I'll select a new template from the gallery. Once I'm satisfied, I'll click Next, and then got it. I'm ready to start planning. And there you have it. Now that your Planbook is set up with all of your classes, you can start planning your lessons and units, attaching standards, adding in your school calendar, and collaborating with co-teachers. To learn more about how to become a CC Pro, check out the course CC 101 for Teachers. It will help you to learn all of our basic features so that you can start writing your best lessons faster than ever.